there's nothing like too late, or it's never too late. Okay, the child is only 6 years old, and we still have another 12 years or so where the child is under the parents nest, isn't it? Now that we are starting, it's going to take a little bit of learning curve for us and the child to understand that we are making certain changes in how we parent, right? So because here the child is 6 years old, I would suggest that we can have a direct talk with the child, like making, uh, you know, talking to the child why this is happening, why we are going to do things differently, right? And bribing, all these things, right? Why does it happen? Because we expect a certain action or a certain behavior from the child, like do this homework. To do the homework, right, we are either like, you are going to do this homework now. I say you're going to do this homework now. Or we either be like, you can, you know what, after you finish your homework, probably you can eat some ice cream. This is bribing, right? Threatening or bribing. This is to have the child do something, or behave well in a party, or a certain behavior that we want the child to show. um, Now what happens is that, end of the day, this is what we want from the child. Probably having a very open conversation with the child itself will make a massive difference. We don't have to get into the threatening or bribing methods, right, or punishment methods at all. Now how do we do that? Like we spoke about the connection earlier, right? Like when we accept all the emotions, when we acknowledge. So when the connection is already set, talking becomes easier with your child, right? Explaining things becomes easier. So again, it comes back to the same point of establishing connection, and do a lot of talking with the 6 year old. Understand, ask the child probably, okay, what do you think we can do here, right? So ask the child, and probably the child will tell us what exactly we are supposed to be doing.